Welcome back to Bostin British Fittle, where I aim to show you all of Britain's great foods. And today we've got a classic, the battered sausage. And here is a foot-long sausage dipped and fried in batter. Greg Howard, the president of the National Federation of Fish Fryers, claimed in a BBC 5 programme that his grandfather invented the battered sausage in the 1960s. Hi guys, before we go any further, please don't forget to follow, like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get updates on all the other British foods I'm going to try. And if you can think of any other British foods that I might like to try, go on to my Blue Sky account, bostinbritfittle.bluesky.social. And don't forget to also check out my Instagram page for all the British foods that I'll have tried, and you can see all the images on there. All right, thanks very much and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, let's try this battered sausage. Just break it in two so you can see the nice sausage in there with the batter on the outside. A nice savoury hit with the meat straight away, and it's just as you would expect, a sausage in batter. A nice crunch, a nice smoothness of the meat inside. Battered sausage.